Yeah, hi, Zunaid. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for your 3200. So I'll just put it on for you. You can listen to it play. So basically, what I've done is I've just replaced the laser, nothing else. I've given it a clean for you, but I'll be honest with you, it's in pretty good condition anyway. There's not a lot of wear on there or anything. Everything is in order. So yeah, that's all sorted for you. You got a 6-month warranty on that, on a laser only, obviously. So if you get any problems with a laser within 6 months, I'll replace that free of charge for you. So yeah, that's all done. As soon as I get payment, I'll ship that straight out to you via signed for post. So I hope you're happy with that, and thank you very much and have a great day.